3 safe and lucrative investment options where to invest your money. Do you have some extra money that you're not sure what to do with? Are you looking for a safe and lucrative place to invest your hard-earned money? If so, you're in luck. In this blog post, we will explore 3 great options where to invest money. From stocks and bonds to real estate and certificates of deposit, there are many avenues to explore. When it comes to investing your money, we will look at the pros and cons of each option, as well as the potential risks associated with them. Read on to discover the perfect investment opportunity for you. Number 1. Recurring deposits. Number 2. Public Provident Fund, PPF. Number 3. Real estate. Thank you for watching.